lovely to see you again. Thank you so much for the lovely birthday wishes so far. I'm so grateful to have you in my community on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram. It's been a pretty fantastic birthday so far. It's only just before 11 a.m. right now, and I'm really looking forward to see what I can make of today. So far, I've had my yoga session in the morning, which has been really good just to relax, and breath exercises are really key, as you know, that I always talk about them all the time. And then luckily my husband made me a cake, so I had a black forest cake and cake for breakfast. It was pretty good. And so now that it's almost noon, I'm going to dive in a little bit deeper into the work and with the current of what is being asked of us now, being able to understand different people's cultures, our own cultures, how they mesh together, how do we communicate effectively. So we're talking about intercultural communication, cross-cultural communication. This week, our webinar is on bridging the cultural gaps in our voice and communication, and I have a very lovely guest that's coming on to help me with this panel discussion, and her name is Nadège Minois. She's based up in Scotland and is such a lovely individual, so I hope you're able to join us there because she is a specialist in helping expats create more cultural competency for themselves. But also, if you are someone who is working in the country itself already and you're finding some difficulty in communicating well with these expats, this is a great place for us to ask some questions and really have a discussion about how can I do something better? How do I understand them better? How do I come across better and easier to not just be frustrated when I don't understand something? So I hope you'll be able to join us. This will be in 2 days' time on Thursday, the 25th of June at 6 p.m. BST. I'll give you the registration link below so you can sign up there. So I'm really looking forward to that. And I guess the rest of today I will be spending on building a really, really fantastic and really exciting diversity and inclusion project with a very special friend, and I can't wait to be able to launch this with her and so that I can share with you how our workshops are going to help with diversity and inclusion in the workspace. All right, so I guess that's it for now. I'm gonna get to work. So I am looking forward to seeing you on the webinar. All right, take care, have a good day. Thanks again, bye.